Hello, can you solve for a plus b in this nice mathematics problem? We're asked to find the value of a plus b when a or b are elements of positive integers or positive numbers. Now, how do we find this expression or this solution? Let's join me as we solve this. To solve this math expression, what we are simply going to do first is to multiply both sides by a multiplied by b. That way we will be looking for, or we will boycott looking for the LCM of 1 divided by a and 1 divided by b. So if we do that, we're going to have that expression to become ab multiplying the whole of 1 divided by a plus 1 divided by b, and all of these will be equal to 1 divided by 3 multiplied by a b. In the next step, we're going to simplify. When we simplify, we'll have ab multiplying 1 divided by a, and that will give me ab divided by a plus ab multiplying 1 divided by a, that will give me ab divided by b, and this will be equal to ab divided by 3. So from this part, you see that a is going to cancel out a, and b is going to cancel out what? Is going to cancel out b, right? And then we'll have that expression in the next stage to give us b plus a equal to ab divided by 3. Now what do we do next? Since we have an equal to sign and there is a fraction there, we can simply cross multiply. These are one of the principles of mathematics. Then we'll cross multiply to give us 3 multiplying b plus a, and this will be equal to a. So what do we do next? From here, we'll expand, and this is going to give us 3b plus 3a equal to ab. Great. Now, from this point, we are going to simply do something. And what we are going to do is to take all the values on the left-hand side straight to the right-hand side. That way, the equation will become equal to 0. So if we do that, you're going to have this expression to now give us AB, the right-hand side, minus, we'll have 3B, right, minus 3A, and all these will be equal to 0. So from here, you can see that something is definitely common, right? B is common. So we're going to bring out the B, the common, and then we'll have AB divided by B will give us A, minus 3B divided by B will give us 3, and all of these will be minus 3A equal to 0. Now it seems like we are stuck because we have an expression like this. So what do you think we can do from this point? I want you to pause this video a little and try to solve it from here. If you get it, bravo. If you don't, then join me as we see the rest of the solution to this question. But then, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more unique math solution. Now, what we're going to do here is to simply add 9 to this point and subtract 9. Now, if you add 0.9 to minus 3a plus 9 minus 9, we have not changed anything. So if we have this we're going to simply put this into that expression. And if we put this into that expression, we'll have b multiplying a minus 3, and all of these will be minus 3a plus 9 minus 9, and this will be equal to 0. We have not changed anything. Now from this expression, we can have this to simply simplify because we have a common term, and that is 3. So we'll have b multiplying a minus 3, right? And this will be negative 3, right, which is common. 3 divided by a will give us a. Now, negative 9 divided by negative 3 will give us negative 3, right? And this will be equal to 9 once the 9 goes the other way, because negative crosses the equal to sign to become positive. Now, do you notice that we have a common term, and that is a minus 3 and a minus 3. So we're going to take one of those values, a minus 3, right? And this other one will be b minus 3, right? And this will be equal to 9. Now, from this expression, we're going to simplify. Now, if we simplify this expression, we're going to bring out 3 serious cases. From this expression, this whole expression can give me this to be equal to 9 multiplied by 1, right? And we can also have 3 multiplied by 3, and then we can also have 1 multiplied by 9. So we have 3 different cases. This expression is going to give us 3 different cases. And these 3 different cases will give us the solution to this math problem. Now, if we have these 3 different cases, we're going to handle case 1. And what is case 1? In case 1, we have a minus 3, we have a minus 3, right? And then we'll have b minus 3, and both will be equal to 9 multiplied by 1. So if we simplify that, we'll simply assign a minus 3 to be equal to 9. Then we'll have b minus 3 to be equal to 1. From this part, if we add 3 to both sides, we'll have our a to be equal to 9 plus 3, and 9 plus 3 will give us our a to be equal to 12. From this point, we'll add 3 to both sides, we'll have b to be equal to 1 plus 3, and 1 plus 3 will give us our b to be equal to 4. So from this point, our a plus b will definitely be equal to 12 plus 4, and this will be equal to 16. So in the second case, we're going to consider this expression to be equal to 3 multiplied by 3. So in the second case, that's case 2, we're going to have that same expression, which is a minus 3 multiplying b minus 3 to be equal to 3 multiplied by what? By 3. So in this case, we'll have a minus 3 to be equal to 3, and then we'll have b minus 3 to be equal to 3. So what do we have? Subtracting or adding 3 to both sides, we'll have a to be equal to 3 plus 3, and this will give us a to be equal to 6. And over here, we'll have b to be equal to 3 plus 3, And in that case, we'll have B to be equal to, this is going to give us 3, and then our B will be equal to 6. So A plus B will be equal to 6 plus 6, which is equal to 12. So the next solution is what? Is 12. Now we're going to analyze the part 3 or case 3, which is A minus 3 multiplied by B minus 3 equal to 1 multiplied by 9. So in that case, I'll have that expression to give me our case 3, and our case 3, we're going to have A minus 3 multiplying B minus 3, and all of these will be equal to 1 multiplied by 9. So in this case, A minus 3 will be equal to 1, and then B minus 3 will be equal to 9. So if we add 3 to both sides, we'll have A to be equal to 1 plus 3, and then our A will be equal to 4, right? Then we'll have our B to be equal to 9 plus 3, and then our B will be equal to 12. So A plus B will be equal to 4 plus 12, and this should be equal to 16. So from this expression and solution, we can see that our A plus B is equal to, we have the first solution to be equal to 16 and what? 12, and the final solution is 16. So we're going to have this as what? 16 or what? Or 12. And these are the two solutions that best fits A plus B, and that first qualifies the expression given to us up there. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified math content. Now I want you to take this content, add the value of A over here and the value of B over here, and then see if it will give you this whole value of the right hand side. If it does, that means our solution is absolutely what? Right. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.